Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about angiosperm. These are also considered as the flowering plants. In the angiosperm or flowering plant, the pollen grains and ovules are developed in a specialized structure that is called flowers. In angiosperm, the seeds are enclosed by the fruits. The angiosperms are an exceptionally large group of plants occurring in wide range of habitat. The range in size from tiny, almost microscopic wolfia to tall trees of eucalyptus. This is over 100 meters. They provide us with food, fodder, fuel, medicines, and several other commercial important products. They are divided into two classes, dicotyledons and monocotyledons. The dicotyledons are characterized by having two cotyledons in their seeds, while the monocotyledons have only one. The male sex organs in a flower is the stamen. Each stamen consists of a slender filament with an anther at the tip. The anther, following meiosis, produce pollen grains. The female sex organs in flower is the pistil or the carpel. Pistil consists of an ovary enclosing one to many ovules. Within ovules are present highly reduced female gametophyte that is termed as embryo sac. The embryo sac formation is produced by meiosis. Hence, each of the cells of an embryo sac is haploid. Each embryo sac has a three-celled egg apparatus, one egg cell and two synergids, three antipodals and two polar nuclei. The polar nuclei eventually fuse to produce a diploid secondary nucleus. Pollen grains after dispersal from the anthers are carried by wind or various other agencies to the stigma of a pistil. This is termed as pollination. The pollen grains germinate on the stigma and the resulting pollen tubes grow through the tissues of stigma and style and reaches the ovule. The pollen tube enters the embryo sac where the two male gametes are discharged. One of the male gametes fuses with the egg to form a zygote. This process is called syngamy, while the other male gamete fuses with the diploid secondary nucleus to produce the triploid primary endosperm (PEN). This process is called triple fusion. Because of the involvement of tube fusion, this event is termed as double fertilization, an event unique to angiosperms. The zygote develops into an embryo with one or two cotyledons, and the pen develops into the endosperm, which provide nourishment to the developing embryo. The synergids and antipodals degenerate after fertilization. During these events, the ovule develop into seeds and the ovaries develop into the fruit. Here, the process of fusion, how the process of double fertilization that takes place within the ovule, that is shown with the help of diagrammatic structure, or you can say in the embryo sac, how the two male gametes they enter one by one, and the process of double fertilization that is carried within the